What is a package? A package operates like a folder with files related to each other. In this case, the related files are classes. Every package maintains two purposes. First, it organizes classes as one unit, and second, it controls access to members of a class. A class defined within a package must be accessed through their package name. Access to members of a class, such as variables and methods, are carried out using access modifiers. In this session, we are going to look at package convention and package creation. In Eclipse, we have src, which is the source folder that contains source files for our project. It has 5 packages. A package can have sub-packages. Under com.selenium for beginners, I have Java, Selenium test ng, and utility as the sub-packages. Here's a set of related packages and 3 classes under Java. There's a lot of classes under Selenium test ng. When it comes to the package convention, if we do not include a package name, then the class goes to default package. For example, right-click src, new class. The package field is blank, but we see default in parentheses. This is not recommended. Look what happens when I write class 1 for class name. A warning shows the use of the default package is discouraged. Click finish, and we see class 1 in the default package. Notice how line 1 is blank. I'm going to drag class 1 to Java. Now, line 1 shows a package statement. To create a package, we right-click src, new package. By convention, packages must begin with a lowercase letter. If I write capital D for demo package, the warning shows discourage package name. By convention, package names usually start with a lowercase letter. Click finish. It's not wrong, but not recommended to start with an uppercase letter. Delete demo package. Do you see how com.selenium for beginners is different than the other packages? Some projects use a reverse website domain as their package name. If I had a domain called domain called seleniumforbeginners.com, then in reverse, my package would be com.seleniumforbeginners. The dot creates a sub package. Let's create a sub package under Java. Right click Java, new package. Add a dot after Java, then demo package 1, and click finish. Drag class 1 to demo package 1. Dialog shows update references to class1.java. Hit OK, and I realize I misspelled package. So I'm going to right click package 1 and I'm going to refactor, rename, and I'm going to add the E to package and click OK again. Now we see the package has been updated in the statement and in package Project Explorer. The package statement updated to demo package 1. Do you see that? That's it for packages and organizing our classes. Next, I'm going to show you how to access the control features using all 4 access modifiers. And I'll see you in the next video. If you like this video, consider subscribing to my YouTube channel, follow me on Twitter, connect with me on LinkedIn, Facebook, because I have a lot more videos to show you. Just wait, and I have so much more content. And thank you.
Books available in paperback, ebook, and PDF. All Part 1 ebooks and PDF documents are free. Programming books for UFT. Programming books for Java. Here's the Selenium Automation book. And TestNG. Subscribe to get notification of future videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and share.